So welcome to another video. All right, this brand is a Oster brand, 1200 watt, and you can see the specs of the iron down here, the hertz and the voltage. Complaint I get, it is not working, so we're going to do the basic checks and find the root of the problem. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to use a meter to check. So first I'm going to check the meter. Meter is corresponding. Take one lead of the meter right here, the other one right here, cannot let them touch. Then we turn the dial of this iron. Alright, we do not get anything, so this is telling me that we have a problem. So in order to go to this iron, we have to remove these two screws at the back, alright, and one screw right here, and remove this dial as well. So I'm going to let you see that. Alright, so you have to remove these screws as well, right, else it won't come off. So this have to be removed. Alright, so stay tuned. Once you remove the screw, just come off like that. Alright, so now expose the back. Alright, so we're going to check from here to this plug. Alright, so let's get to that. Alright, so one leg of the meter is here, the other leg going to come right here, so we're getting a reading. Alright, come here, should not get nothing, which is good. Come here, put it here, we're not getting nothing. But what I realize here has a melting point, and if I put the meter lead right here, you see that, I get a reading. So this cable right here defective, so all I need to do now is cut it and re-terminate it back and check it. Alright, but before we do that, we're going to check the element. Alright, so I'm going to remove these. Alright, so I'm going to check the thermal fuse, the element and the thermostat in one. So what I'm going to do now, as you can see, I already disconnect them. Put one lead here and one lead here. I'm not getting nothing on the meter, but once I turn the dial, oh, the dial isn't turned properly. You see there's a reading. Alright, there's a reading here, so it's good. It's just that the card need to re-terminate properly, and then we set it up back and let you see it. Alright, so stay tuned. So we have to remove these two screws right here. Remove this screw right here, remove that. Then I'm going to show you now and show you exactly what happened. So this is what happened. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clip it, re-terminate it back and test it, let you see it. Alright, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so you can see it was clipped and was re-terminated. So now we're going to check it to ensure that the job that we did was okay. Alright, so from this neutral leg to this point it's okay. Come here, nothing, which is good. Switch it around, come here again, nothing, which is good. Come right here, it is okay. Alright, so this is the positive lead and this is a negative. So the negative side or the neutral will come on this neutral leg here. As you can see, identify right here, N. So it come right here, make contact, and then we push this on it, and then we're going to squeeze it and tug on it. That is properly fixed. Yes, same thing right here. Alright, that, and then we do the same thing here. Tug on it. Alright, so we're going to test it. Put one lead here. Alright, so we're going to turn the knob. There's a reading, and then we'll lock it off. Alright, so we're going to fit it up back and let us see, and we'll plug it in and test it. Alright, so you can see the iron is plugged in. Alright, so now as you can see, everything is put back together, all the screws. Alright, so now we're going to turn the knob and look for an indicator light right here. See it? So iron is complete. Alright, so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Alright, and ensure the bell notification is on. Alright.